Lang tayo kumukuha ng tubig. Cooking oil na 2 tablespoon. So, 1 teaspoon. Tapos lagyan natin ito, yung macaroni ko. Mga 5 minutes to. Lalambutin natin. So, ito ay ito na yung pinakuluan na macaroni. Tayo ng patas. Ang ilalagay ko ay meatloaf. Pwede kayong maglagay ng chicken na nilaga. Yun yung cheese. Ito ay lagay na natin yung syrup niya. Ito yung pineapple tip bits. Ayan, isa lang. Mag-add tayo ng mayo. Ang mayo na inilagay ko ay 220 ml. Halo lang natin ito. Gumamit pala ako ng gloves. Ayan. Tapos lalagyan pa natin ito ng carrots. Red bell pepper. Then mix lang natin to. It's so yummy, guys. Yummy. Pwede kayo mag-add dito ng sugar. But for me, it's enough for me. No sugar. I put some pineapple syrup and pineapple dip bits. It's enough for me, the sugar. A little amount of sweet. It's already done, guys. This one fruit salad with meatloaf. Some meatloaf. I put some meatloaf. Then already done na. Ready to serve na. I like this way to make a salad. Macaroni salad with wow, it's so beautiful, guys. The color. Wow. No sugar. Yummy. Yummy. I love carrot so much. Gusto ko yung ganitong salad. Hindi siya matamis. Yummy. I like this one. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Bye guys. Thank you.